actually I'm gonna check on my phone. Hello. I hope the music is not too loud and you guys can clearly listen to my voice. Hi. I'm just looking at the comments here. Hello everyone. Hi, thank you so much for joining. Hi Divya. Hi Anju. Hello. Hope you guys had an amazing week. So today's live session is going to be very interesting. So I urge you guys, whoever has joined now, to stay with us so that you can actually see what we are gonna create here. So just to give you an idea, we're going to do like a nice, very easy, quick table setup. So I'm setting up a Christmas dinner table for two, and just to give you small tips and tricks of how beautiful you can create a dinner table for your family, for your loved ones whom you're expecting this Christmas at home. So if you have any questions, let us know. But as we know that people are already prepping up for Christmas, and I'm so sure most of you all already have the decorations in place. And if you haven't had the time, there's still time to place your order at the Maiva store on our website online. You can definitely go ahead and order all the ornaments, order whatever you need, table decor. So I'm going to show you a few options here so that you get an better idea, so that you can head to our website and place your order. And we also know, it's such a difficult time for all of us, especially when it comes to festivals. We know there's so many people who are staying away from family because traveling at this point in time is not suggested, and it's not very safe. So but still at such times, I feel that even though times are different, times are difficult, we can definitely create some kind of Christmas cheer. And in your homes, you can invite friends over, you can invite your family over, and you can have just like a blast. Make sure that you stay safe, but just start creating that warm, festive holiday feel in your homes. I would suggest, I'm so sure most of y'all already have the tree up and running. It's decorated with ornaments. So our office also, we have, like, if you see behind me, like we have spread the Christmas cheer so well that we look forward to coming here, spending time here, because this feels so amazing. The whole vibe is so amazing. And so we actually posted few napkins, pictures yesterday, and a lot of you guys liked it and asked us to show us how we created this. So these are very simple things that you can do, and also a lot of people wanted to know that what can be a nice eye-catching table decor for a Christmas setup. So let's quickly get into that, and let's quickly talk about centerpieces, because centerpieces on a table is utmost important. It is so very important because it holds the attention, it keeps the conversation in place when people are sitting on a dining table, and it kinds of breaks the ice, and it starts a conversation if your decor is beautiful. If they're eye-catching, if they're wonderful, people would want to know that how you did it, from where you got it. So definitely we want to talk about the whole decor and the table setup. So as you can see, we have already set up the table for two. We have put some taper candles. Taper candles are a must for Christmas. So any table, I think, looks just so incomplete if there are no tapers there. So you can use any holder that you have, and then we have these metallic tapers online in various colors, obviously, and you can choose your color. And then again, we have this very beautiful table wreath. Most of you will know that, and you can use wreaths on the table. You can place pillar candles, you can place jar candles, you can place these nice beautiful plain candles that goes well with the wreath, and that can be kept at the side. It could also be a centerpiece. A wreath and a candle could definitely make a very nice centerpiece for the table, but then I think we have better ideas. And so let's quickly start with something. If like I have picked up things that we have, and we are hoping that you have it. Some of you may have it at home. If not, we have so many candles and so many other things on our website. You can definitely get your hands on them. So as last time I showed you guys this huge pine cone, this is how it looks. It's a huge, so basically you could hang it somewhere from the ceiling. You could use a thread, you could use a ribbon, and just leave it there in the air, in the hallway maybe, and I think it's gonna look really amazing at the entrance, if I may say. I think it's gonna look really amazing. But how else it's gonna look more beautiful is definitely as a centerpiece. So we are going to use a cloche. You need something to hold this, and it will just sit pretty wherever you want. So this is how it looks. So we have the cloche base here, and I've already placed it here. You put this and you just kind of cover it. So we have the cloche here, and this is how you place it, and this makes for a very beautiful, very unique centerpiece. Don't you think so? So guys, I would really appreciate if you guys could, you know, tell us in the comment section if you guys like the decor, if you like the centerpiece, if you like the idea, or even if you guys have any other ideas for the same. So this is gonna make a very beautiful centerpiece. Just turn it around for the botanicals to be seen. It also makes for a very beautiful Christmas gift as well. So this is one of our ideas of using the huge pine cone that we have launched this Christmas. You could hang it, you could use it as a table decor, you could use it on doorknobs for it to look chunky, nice, and attract eyes. And so again, let's not forget that all our botanicals are completely natural. They are dried, then they are dyed, and then they are painted to get the color of the season, but they are completely handmade, you guys. And you know, that's why the beauty of each of our botanicals, of each of our floral arrangement, lies in the fact that they are completely handcrafted by these amazing women. And so yeah, this is one of the ideas. The next that I would try using the cloche only. I'm going to just quickly put this away. You could also just put this anywhere on the side also. It could just be kept anywhere on the side of the table. It will look really nice. And then let's quickly, you could also keep candles as centerpieces. So something that I have selected from our collection are these very beautiful Christmas candles. They are like one of our best sellers for, I think, for all the right reasons. And this is how it looks like. It's green and red. And let's quickly place it. So you could place them like these, and you could light them up. It's gonna make amazing. It's gonna make for a very beautiful, very chic centerpiece. It's gonna look very classy in between. You could light it, and if it's a dinner table for two, I think it's gonna be really very romantic and nice. And obviously it's adding a lot of festive cheer because of its color and the gold here and there. It's looking really nice. This is one way. You could also cover it with the cloche if you want. This is the other way of keeping it, but I think I prefer it without the cover. I think because it's easier for you to light it then, and then you just enjoy the fragrance and everything. So this is the second thing that you could do as a centerpiece. These are really selling very fast on our website. So if you haven't got your hands and you like them, I will say it's a must-have for Christmas. It also makes for a very beautiful piece, gifting piece, very thoughtful gifting piece. So go ahead with it. And so this is the one, and the last but not the least, something from a new, from our 2020 collection is what I would want to show you, is a very beautiful table decor. I think a table decor never goes out of style. And this is something that we have launched this year for Christmas 2020, and it is just so festive with all the reds, with all the golds, and all these foliage. I think it just looks really beautiful. Serves as a very nice gift. You could also keep it right here at the middle of the table, and there you are. I mean, your table, can you see how beautiful the table looks? It's like, it just looks so festive, so warm, so red, and it's just so Christmassy. I totally love this centerpiece, and that's why I saved it for the last, because this is something you don't have to do much on the table if you have this on the table. So I think it looks really beautiful just the way it is kept. And yeah, that's about it. So definitely a conversation starter because the piece is so beautiful. The botanicals that it has, that it houses, and the wood base gives a very rustic look to it, very old time charm this is. So I totally love this, and I think it makes it a fantastic, very Christmas. This is very Christmassy, you know, old school Christmas, red, green, gold. So yeah, it just looks very fantastic. Yeah, and if you guys have any questions, let us know in the comment section. And I'm just going to shift this a little so that you can actually make out that these are not the same things. Okay, now quickly moving on to how did we create these these decorated napkin for dinner. I'm going to quickly show you. You just need like very few things. So basically you just need napkins. I'll show you how we have folded them also. And then you need ribbons, or you could also use threads if that's easily available, but ribbons are also easily available. And tell us more about the tree as well. About the tree. Okay, I will get onto the tree. Let me just quickly show you how. I'll just create one the napkin for you guys. So this is how these are these small baubles. It's easily available everywhere in markets where they have stocked up Christmas decor. So we have these. You need the ribbon, you need the napkins, and then you need these berries, I would say. These berries are also very easily available. These are not the dried botanicals. If you have dried berries, well and good. And these are also available in the market, these big berries. And then we have plucked some nice juniper leaves from outside our office. I assume this should be easily available you know, on the roadsides. Maybe you can just pluck a few. So I'm going to show you how we created that. So you just have to like take a napkin, and this is how we fold it in 4 halves. So this is like into a square, and get the edges right, and then you fold it from this corner, and then again from this corner in between, and you fold it this. If you can create your own thing. I'm just gonna keep it a little thick so that this and this. I'm just gonna fold it twice. So this is what you have now. Now what you can do is quickly take the ribbon. You have these loops in the baubles that you will take. So just draw the ribbon from that, and this is how it will look. And what you could do is take a juniper leaf. I'm going to take a long one. You could also, if you want a short one, you can cut it. And you know, I'm going to make it really festive. So I'm someone who likes things to be like really festive. It shouldn't be very simple, but it should just, you know, speak out that it's Christmas, it's the holiday cheer, so let's spread it. And you could use something as thin as this, or you could use a more dense one. So I have picked the more dense one, and this is how it looks like. And I'm going to place it here in between, right in between. Then what I'm going to do is take the ribbon and the bauble, and I'm going to tie it. I'm going to tie the napkin. So it's very simple. Tie it loose so that, you know, people can I'm going to remove this so that you are able to see. So I have turned, so this is how I'm tying. And just quickly, I'm no expert in making a bow, but I'm just trying to make it neat. And the extras, you could definitely cut it, make it look neat. It's always, you know, it's always about the presentation and stuff. So this is how it will look initially. Now we are gonna add whatever botanical stars, whatever berries that you want. So I'm gonna actually tighten this up a little bit. So this is how it looks. now I'm going to put the botanicals, all the elements of my choice, which I feel is very Christmassy. So I'm going to add a small berry here, just in between the ribbon. And if it's tight enough, if the ribbon is tight enough, it's going to hold the berries really well. And yeah, so I have just done that. We have also created these small bows. So if it's very easy, it's like a small heart bow that you create using a ribbon. You could easily stick it here, and this could be one of your arrangement. So this is how it's gonna look. This is how it's gonna look when you know, when you have guests over. And another very easy thing is that I'm going to use, so I also have a very nice shiny berry, so I'm going to replace that. If you want it to be like really nice and festive, if you're someone who likes it all loud and likes it like beautiful and attractive, so doesn't like keeping things subtle, like just like me, I think you should just go for this big one. And I have these cute stars with me somehow, and what I'm gonna do is I have stuck a double-sided tape here, DST here, and I'm gonna quickly stick it on the bauble. And this is the another arrangement that you get. I can add one more if I miss. So I don't know, or just one is good actually. And this is the other one that you get. This is how it looks, and you can just place it here and just groom it a little bit, and I think it's gonna look really nice. So this is how we created our napkins at office, and just wanted to share the same with you guys to give you guys an idea of how exactly and what exactly we're doing it. So guys, it's pretty simple because we all want you know, our tables to look very aesthetic, to look very beautiful, you know, for our guests to appreciate it, to have a very nice time when we, you know, when we are sharing our meals. So I think everything should be like very beautiful. I'm going to quickly keep this back, and I hope you enjoyed the napkin making video with us. I'm going to quickly light the table so that you see how it looks in the end. And here I'm going to quickly light it. Let's not forget the 14-ounce jars that we have. Very beautiful, very Christmas oriented 15-ounce jar candles that we have. So I think it's gonna look very beautiful. So it's all about Christmas, good Christmas music, good Christmas scents, and a good meal, of course. So there you go guys, this is how we have set a table for two. And I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you guys were able to pick up you know, few ideas from the setup, and you got an idea of how what can be used as a nice centerpiece, what kind of napkins you can create, what kind of color combination that you would want to go for, and obviously let's not forget what kind of gifts that you want to give to your loved ones. So this is it. If you guys have any questions, let us know. And I'm just going and I'm gonna quickly see if there are any questions. Okay, people wanted to know about the tree. Okay, yeah. I'm so sorry, completely forgot before I leave. The tree, we got this tree from Bangalore. There's a store here in Bangalore that I don't remember the store. If once I get it, I will definitely put it on the story maybe. And it's also available online on a lot of online platforms that are selling trees. So this is a 6-feet tree that we got. It's all like these, it's like faux snow covered, but we wanted to create the whole white Christmas vibe at office. So we got this tree, and all the ornaments that you see here, they are all available on our website. And we have got such an amazing response for our ornaments, because I truly believe that our ornaments are very unique, they are very versatile, and they add a lot of festivity instantly. So yes, all the ornaments that you see on a tree, they are something like this. I'm going to show something as unique as this. these rose petal kind of ornament. All of this is available on our website, and everything that you see in the tree, it all belongs to Mima. So we have all these baubles in different finishes, in matte, in glossy, in swirl, in stripes, in rose gold color, in gold, and also in silver. And they're all available. So if you haven't got the chance to shop for Christmas yet, I think this is your time. This is your golden opportunity to get before it all goes out of stock. Go there, go onto our website and just make your purchase. And also very quickly, I wanted to point out that unfortunately a cyclone has hit Tamil Nadu, from where our shippings are made, like your orders that you place with us are shipped out. And unfortunately, due to the cyclones, our work, our operations back in Tamil Nadu has been affected. Our factories are closed. So what has happened is that all the shipping, all the items, the orders have been put on hold. There'll be a slight delay. We just hope that everybody is safe and everybody gets back to work safely. That is what we are hoping for. And yeah, and as soon as we are back to work, we will be shipping out on priority. But guys, there'll be you just have to be a little patient, because there will be slight delay in shipping of your orders. So just bear with us, because this is something not in our control, but definitely we're working on it and definitely trying hard that you get your orders on time. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Have an amazing week. And yeah, see you next weekend. Let us know if you guys want us to do something else, style something else, if there's some particular thing that you would want to see. Maybe we create something else in the next live video. But I had too much fun creating these napkins, because I'm also kind of learning what all we can do with small elements that we have around with us, how we can reuse it. So yeah, definitely. And yeah, thank you so much for joining, everyone. Have an amazing time, have an amazing weekend, and have fun. Bye bye, see you.